Good evening, guys. Okay, guys, it's really nice to see you guys again today. Okay, hopefully, you guys ready for the new lesson today. Okay, so today we are going to continue with chapter 3. Okay, give me one moment. Okay, today we're learning chapter 3. Chapter 3 is talking, it's about telephone conversation. Okay. So this conversation is happening between a customer, between Lisa. Okay. The situation is Lisa is having some problems with her exercise bike and she's calling the sports center to have it repaired. Okay. So basically, this conversation it is between a customer who bought a bike and then having problems with the bike and then wants that to be repaired. Okay. Jadi hari ini kita lanjutkan ya teman-teman ke bab 3. Yang bab 3 ini akan membahas tentang percakapan melalui telepon. Oke, jadi percakapan melalui telepon, it's a little bit different, but not that much different. Okay, maybe the difference will be on the intonation. Okay, because it won't be required to be like so many of the intonation when you're doing on the phone, right? Okay, so uh, okay, let me give you guys example first, okay? Before I give you, it's a really quick example, okay? Before I give you guys the role play, okay? Give me 1 second. I need an assistant here. Let me see if my assistant is already on the Zoom. Give me one moment, okay? Okay. All right, guys. So, chapter 3 about telephone conversation. Lisa is having some problems with her exercise bike and she's calling sports center to have a repair. Okay, just pay a little bit, pay attention to some words. Okay, and then a little bit intonation, not that much here. Okay, but still focus on that pronunciation and intonation since we're learning the conversation. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna do this with my Lolo assistant. Okay, so just really quick. Okay, so you guys have the idea. All right. Okay. So let me start. Okay. Charlene, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for calling Sports Center. May I help you?
I bought an exercise bike from your store last year, and I am having problems with it. I need to have it repaired.
Let me connect you to the service department. One moment, please.
Service department, this is Karen. How can I help you?
I bought an exercise bike from Sports Center last year and it needs to be repaired.
What seems to be the problem?
I'm not very sure, but I think there is a problem with the bike's computer console since the LCD screen does not display the different features.
Nothing was on when you pushed the start button?
No, nothing.
What is your bike model?
It is a 126 upright Ford bike.
I can send a technician out to take a look on your bike. It will cost $25, $75 for labor. Also, if we have to replace any parts, that will be extra.
That is expensive. Isn't the repair cost covered by warranty?
When exactly did you purchase your bike?
About 15 months ago.
I am sorry, the standard warranty only covers a year. Did you buy extra warranty coverage at the time of purchase?
No, I did not. Are there any other options besides paying $75 for repair labor?
No, I am afraid not.
I guess I just have to pay for the repair. When can you send a technician?
I have next Thursday, November the 23rd on at 2 p.m. available. Otherwise, the next date has to be December the 8th at 10 p.m.
I'll take this
a.m.
coming Thursday. Will you send out a reminder?
Somebody will give you a call the evening before to confirm the appointment.
Will the technician accept credit card payment?
Yes, he will. By the way, you can buy the extra warranty coverage now if you want to.
How much does it cost?
$50 for 1 year warranty, $75 for 2 years, and $100 for 3 years.
Does it cover both labor and materials?
It covers everything. Do you want to sign up for it?
No. Oh, I do not know.
It will be good for you. We will send a technician anytime the bike needs services. It does not matter how many times you call us in a year. Also, if we cannot fix the problem, we will provide you with a new exercise bike.
Okay. I want to sign up for the 2-year warranty program.
I think it is a good investment. Are you going to pay by credit card now, or do you want me to send you a bill?
Send me a bill, please.
One last thing before I let you go. I need your address, please.
995 Silver Lake Street in Long Beach.
Okay, it is all set. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
All right. Okay, guys. That's a quick example. Well, she did miss a little bit here and there. Okay, maybe kind of nervous. Okay, being an assistant. Okay, so now it's your guys' turn. Okay, let's do the role play, guys. I believe you can do this better. Okay, than earlier because I guys have the example already. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'll have Nancy's dialect number 1 and number 2. Nancy's dialect number 1 and number 2 for Nila. Lisa's dialect number 1 and number 2 for Uni. Karen number 1 and number 2 for Lily. Lisa number 3 and 4 for Mr. Amin. Karen number 3 and 4. Karen 3 and 4 for Brandon. Lisa 4 and 6. Sorry, 4 and 5. Okay, hold on. Okay, 1, 2. Lisa already, huh? 3 and 4. Okay. Okay, Lisa 5. Sorry, guys. 5 and 6. Lisa 5 and 6 for Windy. Karen 5 and 6 for Yuki. Okay. Okay, Karen 5 and 6. Okay. Give me one moment. I thought 5 and 6 Karen. Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay, this is 5 and 6. So I have Lisa 7 and 8. I thought okay. Okay, Lisa 7 and 8 for Jennifer. Karen. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. It kind of confuse me here because actually there are three people. Okay, so that's a little bit confused on me. Okay, okay, sorry about that, guys. Let me repeat again. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I have Nancy number 1 and number 2 for Nila. Okay, and then Lisa number 1 and number 2 for Uni. Okay, Lisa 1, 2, and then I have Karen 1 and 2 for Lily. Okay, after Karen I have Lisa here 3 and 4 Lisa for Mr. Amin. Okay, Lisa 3 and 4, and then let's move on to Karen 3 and 4. Okay, for Brandon, after Karen 3 and 4, I have Lisa already, and then Lisa Gomez. Hold on, okay, guys, okay. Okay, Lisa 3 and 4 already, 3, 4, Karen 3 and 4. Okay, Lisa 5 and 6 for Windy, and then Karen 5 and 6 for Yuki. Karen 5 and 6. 1 second, okay. And then 5, 6. Lisa again 7 and 8 for Jennifer. Lisa 7, 8. Karen 7, 8. All right, Karen 7, 8. One more, so we can finish the first page first for Nani. Okay. All right, let's do it until conversation of Karen number 8. Okay, we finish the first page first, and then we'll continue with the second page. Okay, guys. Give me 1 second. Let me unmute you guys. Allow me to unmute you guys, okay?
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening.
Miss,
How's your-
Nani number?
Who's this? Nani? Karen number 7 and 8. Oh, okay. Gladly I write it down. Okay. Yuni.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. How are you today?
Fine, thank you, Miss.
Okay, excellent.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening. How was your day today?
Great, Miss.
Okay, excellent. Nice to hear that. I believe you guys are already
Good evening, Miss.
yeah. Okay, then ready. Okay, hopefully already had your dinner. Okay, let me see.
Yes, I have, Miss.
All right, I think I already unmute you all. Okay, you guys can start whenever you're ready. Start with Nila.
Okay, Miss. Good evening. Thank you for calling Sports Center. May I help you?
I bought an exercise bike from your store last year, and I am having problems with it. I need to have it repaired.
Let me connect you to the service department. One moment, please.
Service Department. This is Karen. How can I help you?
I bought an exercise bike from sports center last year and it needs to be repaired.
What seems to be the problem?
I'm not very sure, but I think there is a problem with the bike computer console because the LCD screen does not display the different features.
Nothing was on when you pushed the start button.
No, nothing.
What is your bike model?
It is a 126 upright Ford bike.
I can send a technician out to take a look at your bike. It will cost $70 for labor. Also, if we have to replace any parts, will be extra.
That is expensive. Isn't the repair cost covered by warranty?
When exactly did you purchase your bike?
About 15 months ago.
I'm sorry. The standard of I'm sorry. The standard warranty only covers a year. Did you buy extra warranty coverage at the time of purchase?
No, I did not. Are there any other options besides paying $75 for peer labor?
No, I'm afraid not.
Okay. That's for the first page, okay? Let's continue here until, let me check, until conversation number 18. 18. Yes. Okay. All right, there we go. Linda. Linda, you are doing Lisa number 9 and 10. Okay. Well. All right. Since. Okay. I'm gonna go back to the same people now, okay? Since there are no other new one, okay? So Lisa, number 9 and 10 for Linda. Karen, 9 and 10. Mila. Okay, Karen, 9 and 10. Lisa, 11 and 12. Uni. Karen, 11 and 12. Miss Lily. And then I'm sorry, Lisa, 13 and 14. Mr. Amin. Okay. Let's see. New. One moment. Okay, let me see. All right. So now Karen, 13 and 14. Amin, and then who's there? Windy. And then Lisa, 15 and 16. I'll give to Brandon. Karen, 15 and 16. Yuki. Karen, 15, 16. Okay. And then I have Lisa, 17, 18. Jennifer. And then Karen, 17 and 18. One more, please. I need another participant. One more will be great. Okay. Hey, how about Miss Fu Chunjung, huh? Are you here? Okay, I leave that to Miss Fu Chunjung. Okay, if she's ready, okay, for Karen number 17 and 18, okay. All right, so let me unmute you guys first. Allow me. Okay. All right.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening,
Adinda.
Linda. How was work today?
Little busy.
Whoa. Oh, it's excellent. You're a little busy, but you still can spare your time to learn with us today, huh?
Yeah.
Good.
Good evening,
Out of
Miss.
your commitment.
Hello.
All right, let me pull these guys. Okay. So we are going to start with this page. Okay, Lisa's dialog number 9 and so on. All right, let's start, guys.
Okay. I guess I just have to pay for the repair. When can you send a technician?
I have next Thursday, November the 23rd at 2 p.m. available. Otherwise, the next date has to be December the 8th at 10 p.m.
I take this coming Thursday. Will you send out a reminder?
Somebody will give you a call the evening before to confirm the appointment.
Will the technician accept credit card payment?
Yes, he will. By the way, you can buy the extra warranty coverage now if you want to.
How much does it cost?
$50 for 1 year warranty, $75 for 2 years, and $100 for 3 years.
Does it cover both labor and materials?
It covers everything. Do you want to sign up for it?
Oh, I do not know.
It will be good. It will be good for you. We will send a technician anytime the bike needs services. It does not matter how many times you call us in a year. Also, if we cannot fix the problem, we will provide you with a new exercise bike.
Okay, I want to sign up for the 2 years warranty program.
I think it's a good investment. Are you going to pay by credit card now? Or do you want me to send you a bill?
Send me a bill, please.
One last thing before I let you go. I need your address, please.
995 Silver Lake Street in Long Beach.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Okay, it is all set. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day. All right, excellent. Overall, very good, guys. So only a little, really minimum. You guys just missed a little bit. Let me check that. Okay, Karen's number 5, actually on the front or the first page only. Give me 1 second. Okay, console. Okay, Lisa first. Lisa's dialect number 3. Okay, I'm not very sure, but I think there is a problem with the bike's computer console. Okay, console, because, okay, so the word that's kind of like mispronounced is console. So in console, okay. Now we have the word also. Sometimes we, for the shoes, we have the insole and then the outsole. Now the size of the inside the shoes and then the outside of the shoes are different. Okay, now there the words insole. Now this is now the last four word, the last four alphabets are the same, SOLE, but the pronunciation a little bit different. Okay, insole and outsole for the shoes. Now this here is you're gonna pronounce it as console instead of console. Insole, no console, like that. Okay, insole and no console. Okay, no, it's console. So it's like sounds like a E instead of O. Okay, the bike's computer console. Okay, just like that. Okay, English a little bit tricky, depends on even though it's written the same, it sometimes is pronounced differently. Okay, now and then I have Karen's number 5. Labor. It will cost $75 for labor. Labor, jadi labor itu untuk biaya untuk teknisinya ya, untuk jasa. Oke, jadi kalau kita beli sesuatu, misalnya beli ada garansinya ya, garansinya itu biasanya untuk kadang-kadang untuk yang untuk ini bagian untuk spare part aja, untuk dia bagian-bagian yang diganti aja, atau ada juga yang tidak yang jasa untuk jasa yang perbaikan itu. Okay, that's labor. That's what it means, jasa perbaikannya. Okay, it will cost $75 for labor. Jadi jasa perbaikannya itu dikenai $75. Alright. So anyway, now let's try, guys. Translate it, okay? Really quick, you guys try to translate it for me, or for us actually, okay? So instead of me translating, let's translate it together, all right? So I'll have Nila first, okay? Nila, let's try to translate Nancy number 1 and Nancy's number 1 and Lisa number 1. Okay. Thank you for calling Sports Center. May I help you?
Terima kasih telah menghubungi Sports Center.
Yeah.
Ada yang bisa saya bantu?
Good. Very good. I bought an exercise bike from your store last year and I'm having problems with it. I need to have it repaired.
Saya membeli sepeda latihan dari tokomu tahun kemarin. Dan saya punya masalah dengan sepeda saya. Saya mau memperbaikinya.
Okay, yes. Okay, so now let's see. When we talk on the phone like that, are we gonna say, "Oh, saya punya masalah nih"? It sounds like when we're talking on the phone, like when we complain something is wrong. Oh, ini tahun lalu saya beli sepeda nih dari tokomu dan sekarang nih like rusak, ada bagian yang rusak nih. Saya perlu perbaikan. So it's like translated to our like language like that. We don't have to be like translated like words by words. We can translate it all overall. Okay, we know the exact what the translation in a bigger picture, and then we can use our own words to make it like more what do you call like a more no, like straightforward like that. Okay, that's overall it's very good. Thank you, Nila.
Yes, thank you, Miss.
Yeah, let's continue. Nancy number 2 and Karen number 1 for uni. Let me connect you to the service department. One moment, please.
Biar saya hubungkan kamu ke departemen pelayanan. Mohon tunggu sebentar.
Okay, now this is service department, bukan pelayanan. Service bagian perbaikan yang begitu ya. Nah, di departemen untuk jadi bukan yang pelayanan itu. Jadi dia ini untuk departemen bagian yang perbaiki bagian-bagian gitu. Oke. That's what the service here. Okay, so that's one. Okay, and then next one is Karen's number one. Kita like number one. Service this moment. This is Karen. How can I help you?
Departemen Perbaikan, ini Karen. Apa yang bisa saya bantu?
Very good. Okay. So remember, guys, when we are talking on the phone, okay, we don't say, okay, service department. I'm Karen. Okay, because when you say this is Karen, okay, you know you are a girl. Usually when we're talking to somebody, oh hi, I'm Karen. Okay, you try to introduce yourself, and then you say, oh hi, I'm Susan. Okay, then you're gonna say that I am. Now instead, when on the phone, we don't say I am. We're gonna say this is, because what is there is this here means that's the voice. Hello, this is the voice of Karen. That's what you mean, okay? So only not the person, that's the voice that's involving in that conversation through the phone. Okay, that's why we use this is, okay, or it is who, okay, like that on the phone. Remember that always. Okay, don't ever say hello, I am Karen. Okay, on the phone we don't use that. Okay, guys, very good. Thank you, Yuni.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, next. Lisa's conversation number 2 and Karen number 2 for Miss Lily, please.
Saya membeli sepeda untuk latihan dari toko sepeda.
There's Sport Center. Sport Center. Look, it's they all begins with the caps, okay? Capital Sports and Center. So that is the name of the store. So we don't need to translate it. Okay, let's say like Matahari. Matahari, we don't need to translate it. Oh, I bought the shirt from Matahari. No, since Matahari is the name of the store, we don't need to translate it. If Matahari, then it's used it's not caps, then that's something the nouns like that, okay? But when there's a sports center like this, it starts with the capitals, means that the name of the store.
Oke, Miss.
Yes.
Saya membeli sepeda untuk latihan dari Sport Center tahun lalu, dan sekarang memerlukan perbaikan.
Okay, that seems to be the problem.
Apa masalahnya?
What seems to be the problem? Kira-kira apa masalahnya apa? Gitu. Kalau dalam bahasa kita, kira-kira masalahnya apa ya? Gitu. Like that. It seems to be the problem. Okay, not really sure, but we're gonna. That's why we use seems. Kira-kira masalahnya apa? Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, let's continue. Lisa 3 and then Karen number 3. Okay, let's have Mr. Amin.
Saya tidak yakin, tapi saya pikir ini adalah masalah di komputer sepeda ya. Karena LCD-nya tidak menunjukkan nyala ya, itu ya.
Okay, I'm not very sure. Saya kurang tahu. Okay, saya bukan. Okay, I'm not very sure. Okay, when you use that sure, very sure, it's showing that something is not like there is a involving uncertainty. When you say I'm not very sure. Jadi saat kita menggunakan kalimat I'm not very sure, itu menunjukkan ada involving melibatkan sesuatu yang uncertainty, sesuatu yang tidak yakin betul, oke? Jadi dalam bahasa kita, oh saya kurang tahu gitu. Nah, that's the bahasa Indonesia kita ya. Saya kurang tahu, tapi kira-kira kemungkinan ada masalah tuh dengan bagian komputernya ya, karena LCD-nya itu layarnya itu tidak When it doesn't display any features, means the screen is blank.
Blank.
Yes, blank. So it's saya jadi ya, coba saya terjemahkan coba ya. Saya kurang tahu nih. I'm not very sure. Saya kurang tahu, tapi kemungkinan ada masalah dengan komputer, bagian komputernya, karena layarnya itu layarnya itu tidak menyala. Oke, kira-kira begitu kalau bahasa kita. Oke. Alright, then next. Nothing was on when you push the start button?
Apakah kamu memencet posisi start ya?
Nah, remember this. Remember, jadi saat look at Lisa's conversation number 3, it says the LCD screen doesn't display the different features. Okay, means the layarnya itu blank, jadi layarnya itu nggak nyala. That's why look, Karen is enforcing it. Let's say nothing was on when you push the start button. Jadi nggak ada yang nyala saat tombol startnya itu ditekan. That's like okay, that's more like common sense like that. So we remember, try not to translate it words by words. Read it first, understand that first, then we can use our own language. All right, very good. Thank you, Meta Amin.
Thank you, Miss.
Let's start with Lisa's number 4 and Karen number 4 for Yuki.
Oh, no,
No, nothing. Nothing was on when you push the start button. Nggak ada yang nyala saat tombol startnya ditekan.
tidak ada.
Oh, tidak ada, betul. Now, what is your bike model?
Apakah model sepeda
Anda? Apakah model sepedamu? Anda. Okay, very good. Thank you. Very short, huh? Let's go on with Lisa's number 5 and Karen number 5. Then Lisa, it is a 1, 2, 6 upright forward. Okay, then Lisa is telling Karen Lisa is telling Karen the model of the bike. Okay, apa model sepedanya? And then Lisa say, oh, 1, 2, 6. Then okay, that's, you can skip that. Now go to Karen number 5, please, Yuki.
Karen number 5?
Yes.
Saya dapat mengirim seorang teknisi untuk melihat sepedamu. Harganya $75 untuk biaya servis.
Oh ya, biaya servis ya, bahasa Indonesianya saya lupa. Okay,
also jika ada penggantian parts atau bahasa Indonesianya ada parts atau suku cadang, akan ada ekstra.
Okay. Alright, so overall, like I can send a technician out to take a look at yours. Saya dapat mengirimkan seorang teknisi untuk mengecek sepedamu. Okay, it will cost 75 for the labor. Okay, biaya servis biaya jasa servisnya $75. Juga bila ada bagian yang harus diganti, akan ada biaya ekstra, akan biaya tambahan. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, very good, Yuki. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's continue. Lisa number 5, Karen. Lisa 6, Karen 6, Lisa 7. Let's have Linda try this. That is expensive, isn't the repairing cost covered by warranty?
Itu mahal. Apakah biaya perbaikan ditutupi oleh garansi?
Look at this. Isn't, okay? Isn't the repair cost covered by warranty? If you're the way you translate earlier, is the repair cost covered by warranty? Now it says isn't.
Oh,
Okay. Now, okay.
apakah biaya perbaikannya tidak di cover oleh garansi?
Okay. Now, let's take in our language. Bukankah biaya, bukankah biaya
perbaikannya di cover
bukankah biaya
oleh garansi?
ditanggung? Okay, that is expensive. Wah, mahal ya. Bukankah biaya perbaikannya itu sudah termasuk dalam garansi? There you go. Bukankah bukankah garansinya termasuk biaya perbaikan? Sudah termasuk biaya perbaikan. Okay. Does it make sense in our language?
Ya.
Ya, bukankah bukankah garansinya itu sudah mencakup biaya perbaikan? Kira-kira begitu ya. Okay.
Ya, kurang lebih ya.
When exactly did you purchase your bike?
Kapan pastinya kamu membeli sepeda itu?
About 15 months ago.
Kira-kira 15 bulan yang lalu.
Yes, very good, Linda. Excellent. Thank you. Now, Karen number 7, Lisa 8, and Karen 8. I'll have Donnie translate it for us, please.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. Okay, let's try translate this for us.
Karen, I'm sorry. The standard warranty only cover a year. Did you buy extra warranty cover at the time of purchase? Sorry. Standar garansi ini hanya mengcover setahun. Bukankah kamu membeli di luar extra cover garansi ini? Pembelian ini di luar garansi.
Alright, okay, let's see, do it. I'm sorry. Oh, maaf. The standard warranty only covers a year. Okay, jadi oh maaf, garansi standar biasanya hanya untuk 1 tahun.
Yeah.
Garansi standarnya hanya untuk 1 tahun. Did you buy extra warranty coverage at the time of purchase? Apakah Anda membeli tambahan garansi?
Garansi ekstra.
Tambahan garansi pada saat pembelian, melakukan pembelian?
No, I didn't know. I did not. Are there any other option beside paying $75 for repair labor? Tidak, saya tidak.
Tidak membeli.
Ya, saya tidak membeli. Are there any other options? Ada pilihan di samping membayar $75 untuk perbaikan tenaga kerja.
Okay. Are there? Okay. Now the sentence here is the sentence starts with the are there. Okay. Are there any other option? Okay. So this is a question. Okay. This is a question. So apakah ada pilihan lain? Apakah ada pilihan selain membayar $75 untuk biaya servis?
Tenaga kerja.
Biaya jasa perbaikannya. Oke, jadi Apakah ada apakah ada pilihan lain selain membayar $75 untuk biaya jasa perbaikan?
No, I'm afraid not. Tidak, saya I'm afraid. I'm afraid berarti dia bilang
So, no,
tidak takut,
I'm afraid not. No,
tidak khawatir.
tidak ada.
Oh, tidak ada.
Just like that in our language, because we don't. Afraid is afraid. Scare. There is no. Doesn't make sense in our language to use the translation of afraid. Okay. Oh, tidak ada.
Oh, tidak
Just
ada.
like that. Yes. Okay. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Let's continue with Lisa. Lisa's 9, Karen 9. For Nani, all right. Okay, Nani. Okay. There you go.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Nani. Please translate for us. Lisa's and Karen number 9.
Saya kira saya hanya membayar biaya perbaikan. Kapan kamu dapat mengirimkan teknisi?
Okay, let's see. First sentence. I guess I just have to pay for the repair. Okay, so after she asked, jadi setelah dia menanyakan apakah ada pilihan lain selain membayar $75, nah kemudian Karen say, oh nggak ada pilihan lain selain membayar $75, dan Lisa say, okay, I guess I just have to pay for the repair. Kalau begitu saya akan membayar biaya perbaikannya. Okay. Now, when can you send your technician? Like you say, okay, kapan teknisinya bisa datang? Kapan kapan teknisinya bisa datang? Right, in our language. Karen?
I have next Thursday, November. Saya November, Kamis yang akan datang.
Tanggal. This is the 23rd. That's the date. Tanggal 23.
Tanggal 23 jam 2
sore.
Ada. Jam 2 sore ada. Jika tidak tanggal berikutnya Desember, tanggal 8 Desember jam 10 pagi.
Okay. Alright, so I have next Thursday, November 23rd, that's available. Jadi yang tersedia, kapan teknisinya bisa datang? Okay, let's say. Okay, yang tersedia when we talk to somebody, when we need the service, let's say like our Wi-Fi thing, okay, at home, then we need service like that. Okay, ada yang teknisinya bisa datang tanggal 23 November hari Kamis jam 2, atau or we can say, atau berikutnya bisa Desember tanggal 8 jam 10 pagi. Jadi kira-kira kalau pakai bahasa kita sendiri nih ya, kira-kira begitu. Okay? Very good.
Otherwise apa ya?
What is it? Otherwise, okay. Means that if you don't want this Thursday, then the next one will be available on December. Okay, so like we say earlier. Okay, teknisinya bisa datang November tanggal 23 atau tanggal 8 Desember. Tanggal 8 Desember. Atau otherwise, so Like if they don't want this November 23rd, then the next one will be on the 8th. So that's what otherwise mean. Okay, if you don't want this November 23rd, the next one will be on the December 8th. That's what otherwise is. Okay, I'm gonna have the explanation words by words after we translate it. Okay, so just continue following the class. Okay, Nani? Okay, very good. Let's continue
I
with
think
the
this
next
coming
one.
Tuesday. Saya ambil saya Kamis ini datang.
Okay.
Atau kamu mengirim
I will take this coming Friday. Okay, I will take this coming Thursday. Okay, okay. Saya mau yang hari Kamis ya. Saya mau yang hari Kamis. Will you send out a reminder? Apakah saya akan diberikan pemberitahuan sebelumnya? Apakah saya akan diberikan pemberitahuan? Okay, a reminder like that. Okay, remind. Okay, Nani. Okay. All right. So now Karen 10, 11. Karen number 10, Lisa 11, and Karen 11. Okay. I'll have Friska try to translate for us.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Miss.
Very good. Nice to hear that. Okay, let's continue to our translation. Karen number 10.
Somebody will give you a call the evening before to confirm the appointment. Seseorang akan menelepon pada sore sebelumnya untuk memastikan perjanjiannya.
Okay, somebody will call you, will give you a call the evening before to confirm the appointment. Okay, nanti ada yang akan menelponmu the evening before. Okay, okay, so that's gonna be Thursday at 2 p.m. Okay, nanti akan ada yang menelpon untuk mengkonfirmasi what is the appointment, mengkonfirmasi ulang pada sore sebelumnya.
Oke.
Oke, seseorang nanti akan ada yang menelpon untuk mengkonfirmasi ulang janjinya, mengonfirmasi ulang janji what is appointment bahasa, seseorang akan menelpon ulang untuk mengkonfirmasi pada sore sebelumnya.
Oke.
Sore sebelumnya.
Ya, Miss.
Dalam bahasa Indonesia, we don't say that kan, sore sebelumnya ya.
Sehari sebelumnya, Miss, biasa.
Maybe like that, yeah, sehari sebelumnya ya. Yes, that sounds better. Because the meaning is the same, but now sehari sebelumnya, now but this is gonna be now sore hari. Jadi sore. Okay, now because this, okay. Now she wants Thursday, November the 23rd at 2 p.m. So the confirmation will somebody will call her on Wednesday, November the 22nd.
Yes.
But it's in the evening. Okay, so it's after 5 p.m. Okay, so let's say in our language is will be sehari sebelumnya. Lebih masuk akal ya kalimatnya. Okay, very good. Next one.
Will the technician accept credit card payment? Apakah teknisinya menerima pembayaran dengan kartu kredit?
Very good. Next.
Yes, he will. By the way, you can buy the extra warranty coverage now if you want to. Ya, dia akan menerima. Ngomong-ngomong, kamu akan membeli garansi ekstra sekarang jika kamu mau.
Okay. Right. Okay, let's say. Yes, he will. Apakah dia akan menerima, apakah teknisinya menerima pembayaran dengan kartu kredit? Ya, dia menerimanya. Oke. Okay. Now, by the way, oke, okay, dalam bahasa, yes, anyway, by the way, omong-omong lah,
Ya,
okay,
ngomong-ngomong.
I guess. You can buy the extra warranty coverage now, okay. So this is not a question mark, okay. Omong-omong, kamu bisa membeli garansi tambahan sekarang. If you, kamu bisa bila kamu menginginkan bisa membeli garansi tambahan. Okay, this is you can buy the extra warranty coverage now if you want. Bila kamu menginginkan, kamu bisa membeli garansi tambahan saat ini. Okay, and then how much does it cost? Okay, terus berapa harganya? Okay, it's like that. Okay, let's continue. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, let's continue. Karen 12, Karen 12, 13, and Lisa 13. Let's have Winnie try this.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Windy. Let's go translate Karen 12, 13, Lisa 13, please.
Okay. $50 for 1 year warranty, $50 untuk 1 tahun garansi, $75 for 2 years, $75 untuk 2 tahun, and $100 for 3 years, dan $100 untuk 3 tahun.
Okay, next. Does it cover both labor and materials?
Does it cover both? Apakah itu termasuk perbaikan dan bahan-bahannya?
Oke,
Gitu ya?
biaya jasa perbaikannya ya, labor.
Ya, Miss.
Yes. Okay, next.
Okay. It covers everything. Do you wanna sign up for it? Itu termasuk semuanya. Apakah kamu mau daftar ya, Miss? Sign up itu?
Apa kamu mau daftar sekarang? Ya,
Ya.
apa mau daftar? Apa kamu mau daftar? Okay, very good. Oh, next, one more. Oh, I do not know.
Oh, saya tidak tahu.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, welcome. Next, let's do it. Karen 14, 15, Lisa 15. Let's have Dini.
Hello, Miss Susan.
Hi, Dini. Let's continue this.
Karen 14, Lisa 14, 15, yes, Miss.
Yes, Karen 14, 14, 15, Lisa 15, 16.
Lisa.
Yes.
15, 16, Karen 15, okay.
Yes.
Karen 14, Karen 14. It will be good for you. We will send a technician anytime the bike needs services. It doesn't matter how many times you call us in a year. Also, if we cannot fix the problem, we will provide you with a new exercise bike. Itu akan baik untuk Anda. Kami akan mengirim teknisi kapanpun sepeda Anda butuh jasa perbaikan atau servis. Tidak masalah berapa kali Anda menelpon kami dalam 1 tahun. Dan juga kalau kami tidak bisa mengatasi masalah Anda, kami akan menyediakan sepeda yang baru untuk Anda.
Very good.
Yeah.
Next.
Okay, I want to sign up for the 2-year warranty program. Oke, saya mau daftar untuk program 2 tahun masa garansi.
Garansi 2 tahun ya. Okay.
I think it is a good investment. Are you going to pay by credit card now or do you want me to send you a bill? Itu adalah investasi yang baik untuk Anda. Apakah Anda mau membayar dengan kartu kredit sekarang atau Anda ingin kami mengirimkan tagihan kepada Anda?
Okay. Now, I think it is a good investment. Menurut saya, ini adalah ini adalah investasi yang bagus. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, remember, I think there. Okay. Now, very
Yes.
good. That's it. And then, okay, Mr. Tony, give me a little bit, maybe like 5 minutes, okay, to finish up this clip
Okay,
quick,
okay, Miss.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's continue. Hold on. Dini.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue the rest of it.
Send me a bill, please. Oke, kalau gitu tolong kirimkan saya tagihannya.
Okay.
One last thing before I let you go, I need your address, please. Untuk yang terakhir kalinya, tolong apakah saya bisa minta alamat Anda?
Okay, hold on. One last thing before I let you go, okay? Okay, satu hal lagi ya, like that.
Satu hal lagi, yes.
Satu hal lagi sebelum just like say, satu hal lagi, okay? Saya membutuhkan alamat Anda. Okay,
Yes.
last thing, okay, satu hal lagi.
Yes.
Okay, and then tell the address and then Karen 17, okay.
Okay, it is all set. Is there anything else I can help you with today? Oke, kalau begitu sudah set, sudah selesai gitu ya, Miss.
Sudah beres ya.
Nah, udah beres. Ya, ada lagi yang bisa saya bantu hari ini?
Okay.
No, thank you for your help. Tidak, terima kasih. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Sama-sama, terima kasih.
Okay. Very good. Okay, guys. So that's the translation, huh? Okay. Hopefully, will help you guys to understand more for this conversation. That way, the following week we can do the exercise a lot better. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Dini.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, guys. I'll end the class today for the day. Okay. I'll see you guys next week. Okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss
Thank
Susan.
you, Miss.
Miss Susan.
Bye, guys. Stay healthy. Bye.